One of the things we like to do out here at the gun club is shoot antique or historic pistols. And this one certainly fits that bill. This is a Polish Radom VIS 35 9mm pistol. Standard Polish issue at the beginning of the war. Then when the Nazis overran Poland, they overran the factory and they kept right on making this gun. This gun's kind of overlooked, especially here in North America, but it's one of the best pistols of World War II. Ranks right up there with the 1911, the P38, the Browning High Power. This gun can hold its own with any of them. In fact, if they were making these today, I'd probably buy a brand new one, because this is a really, really nice gun to shoot. Now, this particular Radom is an early German production version, probably made sometime in late 1939, just after the German army took over the factory. We can tell that this is an early gun from the low 3-digit serial number and the fact that this one still has the slot for attaching the shoulder stock. As the war went on and the German army became more and more desperate for arms, they sought to speed up production by eliminating everything that wasn't absolutely necessary. So they got rid of the slot for the shoulder stock, and eventually they eliminated the takedown lever as well. So the Radom's a fairly straightforward pistol. It's got the magazine release in the usual spot. It's got a slide stop. Fire the last round. Slide's going to stay open. Has a decocking lever and grip safety. It's also got a interesting little groove here for a shoulder stock. I've never actually seen anyone that had a shoulder stock, but it'd be kind of cool to find one. So the Radom is a single action automatic. What that means is when you pull the trigger, it won't raise the hammer. You have to somehow manually raise this hammer. Now, when you load the pistol, put a round in the chamber, automatically is going to raise the hammer for you, which is fine if you're going to shoot it right away, but if you're not going to shoot it, you can decock it, and then when you need to shoot it, pulling the trigger won't do anything. You need to manually raise that hammer. Then you can shoot the gun. If it was a double action automatic, even with the hammer in the forward position or the down position, when you pull the trigger, it would raise the hammer up, and if you kept pulling the trigger, eventually the hammer would fall and the gun would go off. So there you have it. Radom VIS 35. Excellent, cool little gun.